Hey guys, how's it going? It's RAEART here. So by now you've sold your first painting, or your third or fourth. Anyways, we're going to show you how to wrap it up to get it ready for shipping. So let's go ahead and get it going. Alright, so you're going to have to clear a spot. Any kind of table will do, or you can do this on the floor. But what I have here is a black garbage bag. And we're going to wrap the painting in that. What you could also use is bubble wrap or some kind of foam that will protect the painting. But garbage bag should work just fine. So put it in the garbage like this. It'll fit there nice. There we go. Fold up the edges. You could tape it, but there's really no need to tape it. So for the materials, we have a box cutter. If your box is too big, we got duct tape, which I like to use. It's really strong. Or you have clear shipping tape, which you can use also. But I'm gonna go with the duct tape. So we got our cardboard. Luckily it already is the right size. So we're gonna go ahead. If there's any graphics on it, flip it the other way so that this is your inside of the box. So we're gonna flip this around. I'll have to cut some excess off. Oh, come on now. Oh, gee whiz. Anyways, you get the idea. Alright, I think we have enough with this. I'm going to cut this off. Oh, nothing but trouble. There we go. So this is the box we're going to use. It's just any ordinary cardboard box. This is from Amazon. So you tuck in the edges of the garbage bag. All you do is fold it over. And fold your excess over. There we go. See, that fit perfect. Then you take the duct tape. And you just tape down this edge first. It's just to secure it. And wrap it right around the edge. Take it across. Just rip it. There we go. Pat that down so it's all gripped onto there. Tuck in any excess garbage bag. This is the ghetto version of how to do a wrapping job. Now make sure all your edges are taped up. Next we go across here. Cut a piece. This is sticky stuff. Put it right here. Flip this over. There we go. Nice and easy. Shouldn't take you too long. There we go. Now the next side, just repeat the same thing. Cut a piece to length. Lay it down halfway across. flip it over, seal it up. There, your edges are done. You can see that. Check it out. This edge. Now we have these edges on the side. So repeat the process. Just put a big one right across. Makes it extra safe. Flatten that down. There we go, and voila, your painting is wrapped. Make sure all the edges are down. Next, what you want to do is get your address, and you write that on the top left corner. That's your address, and then the address of the recipient goes in the middle, and you ship it off. I use Canada Post because I'm in Canada. This is going within Canada, so the cost is about $25 to $30 Canadian. And if you ship to the US, there's you have to print a customs form. Another thing you can do is print shipping labels, which I don't really do. Rarely. I just write it right on the box using a Sharpie. So there you go. That's how you wrap it up with cardboard. And it is safe. I've never had an issue with getting damaged or anything, and it always gets to the destination. So there you go, guys. How to wrap your artwork ready for shipping. Alright, thanks for tuning in again. I'll see you later. We're going to slap it down shortly. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye guys, I gotta go ship this.